Welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial for beginners. Today we'll be mostly revising strings. Yeah, strings are quite enormous to cover, though we are tackling bits by bits. So lastly, in our last tutorial we looked at a property for strings, that's dot length. But in this tutorial we'll be looking at methods, and these are instance methods for strings. For example, if we run JavaScript and look at the resources, JavaScripting, there are some built-in functionalities that we'll be looking at. For example, the replace that is in our resource, and as you can see that it's also having a period between the method and the variable that our string is stored in. So how does it work? First of all, you supply it with the characters that you want to replace and the characters that are to be inserted in that place. So let's create our file name, revising strings.js, and we go on. Touch. Let me hope those who are using Windows remember to use the NUL, all caps, and the greater than symbol, this one, followed by the name of the string. This is the only way you can use command line to create a new file. So let's create our file, and so let's check out what challenge are they giving us. Telling us to define a variable named pizza that references the string pizza is alright, and then we're going to use that same variable and call a method on it to replace alright with the word wonderful, after which we shall print out our new string in the terminal. So let's try that out. Let's open revising strings.js. Remember when we started, we said that let makes it easy for you to change what you supply to the variable. So in this case, we're not using const, we're using pizza. Rather, we're using let, and our variable name is pizza, and shall supply it with a value of a string pizza is alright. So we can put a semicolon, and then we come here and we say pizza, the new value of pizza is equal to pizza dot replace, and instead of alright, you want it to say wonderful. So let's pause a bit here. So what is our built-in function going to do? It's going to look for the characters in this sequence or right in our string above. So once it finds that sequence, it will replace it with this string wonderful. So for us to see that change, let's print it out. Console.log pizza. We can first see how it works. Let's hit the run button. See here, it is now showing pizza is wonderful. We can submit that. So after After checking that it is working correctly, we can come here and type in verify. Revising JS. Once we hit enter, see, we have successfully finished this challenge. But as I've told you, these are built-in methods and a sort only dot replace. For you to find out more about the methods, you can head over to developer.mozilla.org, and this is the address to MDN Web Docs, where you can find more of these built-in methods. For example, big, blink, anchor, concat, and many more. But we can also try out one more. For example, we want to change all our characters here to uppercase. So we can, instead of replacing, we can say dot to uppercase. So we don't supply any argument in the parentheses. Then save and run it. See, it's now showing pizza is alright. But for future reference, let's save our program as it is in the challenge. That's it, guys, for today. If you like the content, please hit the like button, and you can share to your friends. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.